We must remember that people in history make decisions based on what they believe would make them successful or what is the most reasonable course of action at that time. And Aguinaldo made those decisions. Hindi na natin sila mababawi, but the most we can do is perhaps learn from them and perhaps avoid just to make the same political mistakes that Aguinaldo has so that we can have a better republic at the present.
I think he had a very unique position in having led the revolution and be able to establish the First Republic of the Philippines, which has really become a model in Asia, because Asia was also colonized by different European countries, and that is why they say, you can see, if the Filipinos can do it, we should be able to do it also. And they were happy that after World War II, they were decolonized much later than we became independent.
There are two aspects or the perspective of nation building and building a nation. So Aguinaldo was from building a nation. He rallied the people to unite into a revolution. And the revolution gave birth to our first military government or revolutionary government. And that started the birth of the Filipino nation. After that, that will be the building of the nation. The building of the nation is the First Republic. The Republic was built, and then all the concept of giving a healthy economy for the nation were conceptualized by them, and they put up the right people in the right place, and they put up what could be the duties of every citizen. The concerted effort will build up a healthy economy to make Philippines a respectable country of the nation.